Unlock it for your safety. This is for your gate to open up and close, up and down.
Okay.
So you go up, and then open your gate. Gate's open. Now you go down.
Excellent.
It'll go down all the way. It'll sit flat. It's just nice and level. So it goes down all the way like so. The ground's not level, so it looks like that, but
It will level itself out.
and then when I go up, it sits level here. And you'll videotape that too, so that way you know. And then I'll just collapse it, and we're done.
Exactly. I just want to make
Nice
sure.
big deck too.
That is a really nice big deck. That's big enough for a full pallet jack and load.
Yeah.
Level with the deck.
And level at the deck.
Perfect.
Come down a bit.
Re-engage lock. Bring down till it's tight.
Survey says it's worth the money, sir.